Hi, I'm Donna, and welcome back to my series of line dance steps. This lesson is going to be on the box step. Now, the most important thing to remember on a box step is which foot your weight is on. If your weight is on the wrong foot, you're not going to be able to move in the right direction. You'll see more what I'm talking about as we practice it. So first, I'll show it to you, then I'll turn around so you can follow along. Let's dance.
This is what a box step looks like. Okay, let's break that down. The most important part of a box step is where your weight is. So we're going to step to the right and step with our left, so our right foot can move. Step forward with our right. Now we just touch with our left, because our left foot is going to move. Step left, step with our right, step back left, and just touch. Right foot's ready to move. Step right, step left, step forward, touch, left, step, left back, and touch. So also think of this: right foot, right, left foot, left, left, right, right forward, left, left back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.